Hi everyone, thanks a lot for your support and watching this video. Here I'm glad to announce that our strongest and most powerful customer support center, ToAuto and Fasttobuy exclusive member group is established. You can check the link in the description. Becoming a ToAuto member not only gets you closer to us, but also bring you more benefits. You will get up to 10% off for all Fasttobuy and ToAuto online stores on monthly member day, which is the 11th days of each month. You will also get free machine accessories when you will join the group. And beside that, you will enjoy up to 15% off for consumer parts order. What's more, you may get the chance to try free ToAuto new products. We prepare a special gift for new members, like crucible or graphite ingots, or soldering tips or paste. If you want to know more details, please feel free to contact us. Join ToAuto and Fasttobuy member group. You will get more fun. You can meet a lot of new interesting friends. And you can also share your ideas on metal melting, 3D printing, and electronic reworking. You will also get fast one-to-one after-sale service from us in this group. So come on guys, join us and get your member benefits. Just click in the link in the description. Don't hesitate, my friend. We are waiting for you here.